Where is he? It's the same bird. He was here this morning from yesterday. I was talking to this bird. Every time he chirps, I give him a whistle back. And he seems to like it because he keeps coming right onto these fence boards, like right next to me like this, where he'll be right where I'm pointing this camera, chirping, looking right at me, looking at Finn, talking to Finn. And then this little jerk comes up and climbs up the fence. The little bird was like chirping at me, and while the cat was trying to get him walking along this, he's jumping across each little top of the fence board all the way over to this tree. And he's in either this green tree here, somewhere over here maybe. God damn it. There he is. There he is. There he is. Curious little guy. Make sure you guys say hi to your birds. It's an experience. Finn, you trying to talk to the bird too? Oh shit, way too zoomed in. Well, I'm gonna let him sit and come out later and see. Yeah, he was out here about 7, 8, 9 in the morning, and he was sitting literally right under this tree on the fence, right there. And then I came out the door over this way, and I heard his chirping as I came out the door, and I started whistling back at it. And then he came about from there to right about here, and we were whistling back and forth while I'm standing, you know, here. Where'd he go? Still on the branch. What a cool little creature. Where'd he go? He's got his girlfriend coming. He's in this tree. Hey. Finn, it's okay. Wonder what he's saying. I hear you, little guy. Where'd you go? Oh, hi. He's right in front of me. I think he's gonna land soon. He's peeping me out. Very cool, man. Never knew how cool animals were until I started watching them.